All right, let's talk about California poppy today as an herbal remedy. Escolzia californica is in the poppy or papaver family, and it is a half-strength poppy compared to its cousin or relative that is known for opium and heroin. California poppy is a nerve vine, so it helps with anxiety, it helps with agitation, it helps with irritation. One good thing about California poppy is it's also a moderate analgesic, which means that it helps with pain. So this would be a great herb for somebody who suffers from chronic pain and finds themselves getting irritated throughout the day or the week. Another great way to use California poppy is with that strung out child who has a little ADHD and can't seem to settle themselves down. They get really excited about things or they're sensitive about things. This would be a great herb for them. I like using California poppy in some of my anti-anxiety formulas. It's really gentle and mild, and it just helps take the edge off. And like when the world is just feeling like too overwhelming and adulting is just feeling like too much sometimes and you just want to give up, California poppy can be a great aid to help kind of fizzle all that background noise down. Another great thing about California poppy is it is a great plant in the garden and as a companion plant. It is super drought tolerant. It grows out all throughout the Southwest here wildly with minimal rains. Sometimes we go months, 8 months without any rainfall. So you can definitely put this in an area of your yard that is neglected with water. It's really beautiful. It has these orange, beautiful, delicate flowers. They're pretty small plants, like 6 to 12 inches tall, probably closer to 8 inches. It's great as a border plant, a companion plant. It's just a really fun plant to work with in the garden, and it's beautiful. Plant can keep flowering for months and months on end, like from the spring until the late summer, sometimes even into fall. Like out here near Sedona, Arizona, we have poppies growing wild on the roadsides up until like November. Have you worked with this plant? And if you have, put in the comments how you like to use it and what method you use it for. I really like it as a tea or as a tincture. It's great as a fresh plant tincture. It's great as a dried plant tincture. I also like to put it in my freezer and store it for later so I can make teas or different tinctures later on when it's not in season. If you like this video, please like, comment, and follow me so you can stay tuned for more plant properties and plant profiles.